Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 6. All right, so if you notice, week 6 is a lot shorter than our week 5 module, simply because we have all of those researching resources that will help you gather those sources. So we're working on the annotated bibliography. We are finding 4 credible sources that we are going to gather together that are all looking at a topic that we want to inform our audience about. So remember, it has to be a topic, not an issue that's debatable. A topic that we are going to inform our audience about, and we are gathering 4 sources together that will help us do it, that we will base our information on. And 2 of those need to come from the library. At least one of those need to be a reference source. So go back and review that assignment several times. But this week, there's not a lot to turn in because I want you to stay focused on gathering those sources and writing the annotated bibliography. So I'll look at what we have going on. So this is just the overview that goes over the goals of this week and the schedule. If we look here, this is just a simple worksheet that will help you organize these sources and help me to check and see that you're on the right track. All right, so just share that topic that you're looking at and the research question. This can continue to develop. Hopefully it's narrowing in on a very, very specific angle of the topic or aspect. And look at the databases. I want to know what databases that you looked at. Remember, databases aren't simply Google or the library. Those databases are those specifically named collections of different types of sources. So it could be Gale eBooks would be one of them, and a few others. So I just want to know which ones you've looked at. And then here are the citations for the sources that you have gathered that you are planning on using, and a little spot for you to think back on your process and kind of just reflect on it and how you move through the research process. Okay, that's actually helpful. And then we just have this MLA citations quiz. You can take it a couple times. Just read over it's all open book, open sources. Just, take the quiz, and it's a good review of what we are going to be doing, how to format, okay? And then this just moves over to next week. So this isn't due this week, but I wanted to share it because it has the rubric. Make sure that you are looking at the rubric. It's not a real detailed one because this type of writing is very formulaic, right? And so I'm going to be looking for that introduction. I'm going to be looking at each MLA citation, make sure that they're MLA and that they're full, and a summary and that statement of use. Okay, so look over this. Look over right here. You can have the quick link to the assignment. Look over that. And right here, I just noticed I used to have this at 100 words for the introduction, and I changed that, or I got a little confused. But having said that, I will establish it at 50 words in one place. I will keep it at 50 words. So I'll go back in there and change that. Anyway, look over the samples, look at the student examples, use them as a template so you can see how to do this. Other than that, have a great week. If you have any questions, I am online Tuesdays. It's Tuesday afternoons on Zoom. You can drop in and ask me anything about the assignment, the class, or anything. Okay? Have a really great week, y'all. Bye-bye.